Now let us go into this problem. The cost of the notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables. In this, let the cost of the notebook be x and let the cost of the pen be y. We get x is equals to 2y. What we are given? The cost of the notebook is twice the cost of the pen. So x is equals to 2y or x minus 2y equals to 0. This is the linear equation. Okay. So we are given a word problem and from that you have to frame the equation. Which one of the following options is true and why? Y equals to 3x plus 5. Does this equation have a unique solution? Unique solution means one solution. Does it have two solutions or infinitely many solutions? The answer is infinitely many solutions. This equation y equal to 3x plus 5 has got infinitely many solutions because a line has infinite points and each point is a solution of the linear equation. So y equal to 3x plus 5 is a line in which all the points that lie on the line are solution to this linear equation. Now write four solutions to the equation 2x plus y equals to 7. I can rewrite this as y is equals to 7 minus 2x. I have brought the 2x to this side. Now I assume put x is equals to 0. So y will be nothing but 7 minus 0 which is equals to 7. So what is the coordinate here? X is 0 and y is 7 is a solution. Now let me put x is equals to 1. I get 7 minus 2 into 1 which is equals to 5. So the next set of results 1 comma 5 is a solution to this equation. Now let me put x is equals to 2. Then y equal to 7 minus 2 into 2 which is equals to 3. So 2 comma 3. What do I mean by 2 comma 3? When x is equals to 2, y is equals to 3. So that is a solution. Similarly, I put x is equals to 3 in this equation. I get 7 minus 6 which is equals to 1. So the another set is x 3 comma 1 is a solution. So in this way, we can find four solutions to the given equation. Now we are given another equation pi x plus y equals to 9. This can be written as y equals to 9 minus pi x. So let me assume when x is equals to 0, it is 9 minus pi into 0 which is equals to 9. So what is the solution when x is equals to 0, y is equals to 9 is a solution to the equation. Then I put x is equals to 1. I have 9 minus pi into 1 which is equals to 9 minus pi. So what is the other set? 1 comma pi minus 9 is a solution. Similarly, when x is equals to, I get 9 minus pi into 2 which is 9 minus 2 pi. So what is the other set? 2 comma 9 minus 2 pi is a solution to this equation. Similarly, where x is equals to 3, I get 9 minus 3 pi. So when x is equals to 3, y is equal to 9 minus 3 pi. That is also a solution to the equation. So these are the four pairs of solution to the equation, to the given equation. Okay. Now find the value of k if x is equals to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation. When x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1 is a solution of the equation, then this equation can be written as 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equals to k, which is nothing but 4 plus 3 is equals to k, or k is equals to 7. I hope you get. So what is the value of k? The value of k is 7. Now we will solve a problem, that is we are asked to draw a graph for the equation x minus y is equals to 2. So we will assume values for x and find the values of y corresponding to that. Okay. So let me assume x is equals to 0. When x is equals to 0, I have y is equals to minus 2. Similarly, when x is equals to 1, I have y equals to 1 minus 2 is minus 1. When x is equals to 2, y is equals to 0. Similarly, when x is equals to 3, y is equals to 1. Now I will plot these points on the graph, join the points and get the graph for this, or the linear for this linear equation. I will get the graph. So what is the first point? The first point is 0 and minus 2. So if this is 0, minus 2 is the point here. So this is one point. I will write it as 0 comma minus 2. Now the next point is 1 comma minus 1. So 1 on the x-axis and minus 1 on the y-axis. So this is 1 comma minus 1. The next point is 2 comma 0. 2 on the x-axis and 0 on the y-axis. So this point is 2 comma 0. The next one is 3 comma 1. 3 and 1 on the y-axis. So it is nothing but 3 comma 1. Now I will join the entire equation for entire points. So this is the graph for the equation x minus y equals to 2. I hope you get it. How I have drawn the graph? First I have drawn the x-axis, the y-axis. I have marked the markings 1, 2, 3, 4 and minus 1, minus 2. Then on the y-axis I have done the same thing. What is the scale here? X-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. This is how we draw a graph for the given linear equation. Okay. Now we will do another example. Now what is the equation that is given to us? Draw the graph for the linear equation x plus y equals to 4. I can write this as y equals to 4 minus x. When x is equals to 0, y equals to 4. When x is equals to 1, y equals to 3. When x is equals to 2, y is equal to 2. So these are the points I have got. I will plot them in the graph. Okay. So what is the first point? It is 0 comma 4. So we will plot it over here. It is 0 comma 4. Okay. What is the next point? It is 1 comma 3. 1 on the x-axis and 3 on the y-axis. So this is nothing but 1 comma 3. Similarly, what is the next point? It is 2 comma 2. 2 on the x-axis and 2 on the y-axis. So it is 2 comma 2. So what I can do? I can join all these points on the straight line. Okay. So this is how my straight line will look, and this is how I will write the equation x plus y equals to 4. So now here we have written the scale. X-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit and y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Similarly, we have made the markings on the x-axis and the y-axis. I hope you understood how we draw this graph. So now we will go to the next topic, that is we are given you have to write the geometric representation of the equation y equal to 3 in one variable and in two variable. Now this equation y equal to 3 can be represented in one variable on the number line. Whenever you have asked in one variable, you should represent it in a number line. I hope you get it. Whenever you are asked to write the geometric representation of a given equation in one variable, you will represent it on a number line. When it is given in two variables, you will draw a line segment or a graph. So Equation y equal to 3 can be represented in one variable on the number line. So here I have drawn the number line. This is my 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on. I have given y equals to 3. So this is the point where I will represent my equation y equals to 3. Now for two variables representation of y equals to 3 in the Cartesian plane means in the graph. So this equation y equal to 3 can be written as 0 into x plus y equal to 3 or y equal to 3 minus 0 into x. When I put x is equals to 1, I get y equals to 3. When I put x is equals to 2, I will get y equal to 3. So 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 3 are the two solutions. Now I will plot these two solutions on the graph. Okay. So where is the first point? 1 comma 3 comes here. 1 comma 3 comes here and 2 comma 3 comes here. So when I join them, it is a line that is parallel to the x-axis. Whenever you are given y equals to 3 or y equals to 4, it is a line that is parallel to the x-axis. Similarly, if you are given an equation x is equals to 4, it is a line that is parallel to the y-axis. I hope you understood. This is how we give the geometric representation in two variables. Thank you, friends.